Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
We were at the point where Lady Malika, dressed as a servant, marched with the army and was captured by the Muslim soldiers. Imam Hasan Askari, the father of Imam Mehdi, was living in the city of Medina. Then the ruler Mutawakkil compelled Imam to come to the city of Samarra to keep an eye on him because Mutawakkil, like the other rulers, was afraid of the Imam, and he was afraid that the people would gather near the Imam and the Imam would overthrow his government due to the large number of people's support. One night, Imam's servant Bashar bin Salman was notified that Imam has called him for some work. When Bashar bin Salman came to the service of Imam, Imam Ali Naqi said,
"O Bashar, go to Baghdad and meet a prisoner with these signs," and then wrote a letter in Roman language to give it to this prisoner so that she may read it and come with you.
Bashar bin Salman was very happy to know that Imam knows Roman language. Bashar came out of Imam's house and left for Baghdad, reached the point about which Imam told him and gave the letter to the captive. That captive was Lady Malika. When she saw this letter, she began to weep. On the way, Bashar asked Lady Malika in surprise that she did not know the sender of the letter, and still she is crying so much. Lady Malika told the story of her marriage and the earthquake, and also mentioned about her dream and marriage, which was done by the Holy Prophet. Bashar now believed that every action of the Imam is in accordance with the divine will. They even married the one whom Allah has chosen. A few days later, he reached Samarra and came to the service of Imam Ali Naqi. Imam Ali Naqi said to Lady Malika,
"I give you the good news that Allah will give you a son who will rule all over the world and fill the earth with justice."
Then Imam said to his sister, Lady Hakima,
"Hakima, she is the one I told you about. Take her with you and teach her about the rules of Islam. Because this woman is the wife of my son Hassan and the mother of the last Imam."
A few days later, Imam Hasan Askari and Lady Malika got married. Lady Malika is also known as Narjis Khatun.